Hello, this is Dr. Vanishri for Health Shots, and I'm here today to share about remedies for common cold and cough that is suffered during the monsoon season according to Ayurveda. Ayurveda says that monsoon or the Varsha Ritu is the season where there will be a lot of accumulation of Vata and aggravation of Pitta, due to which a person suffers from sluggish metabolism, loss of appetite, and also weak immune system. Will be also a lot of temperatural fluctuations, due to which common cold, cough, and other viral infections will be spreading during this season. Ayurveda has mentioned many drugs which are very much useful in common cold and cough. I'll just give you a gist of few drugs in front of you. The first one would be the Tulsi, or what you can call it as holy basil, is an excellent drug of choice, and it has got a lot of anti-inflammatory action, and it is used internally by chewing the freshly leaves, like 2 to 3 leaves. You can chew it in early morning, or you can also add it in the tulsi tea or the tea, and you can take it internally. What it does is it soothes the airways and also helps in expelling the cough out of the body. Second one would be honey. Honey, as you know, it's very commonly used in Ayurveda in many of the medicines. Honey has got lots of antimicrobial property, and it is a very good expectorant. So it can be taken with the ginger juice and pepper powder in a specific amount, and can be taken internally, and which is very good in relieving the mucus, sticky mucus from the lungs and out of the body. The third one would be pepper, or what you can call it as pippali according to Ayurveda. Pippali is also a very good expectorant, anti-inflammatory, and also it has got good property of relieving the cough and chest congestion from the body, and this is taken internally along with other drugs such as I earlier mentioned, honey, Yastimadu churna, etc., and taken internally. The next one would be the giloy, or what you can call it as guruchi. It is having excellent anti-inflammatory property, and it can be taken along as a decoction or as a tablet form. The next one would be the muleti, or what you can call it as lycra rice or yashtimadu. It is a drug of choice in case of common cold and cough, and it is having excellent expectorant property. What it does is it the sticky mucus, it thins the sticky mucus, relieves the congestion, and it becomes easy for the person to breathe. Also, the cough will be expelled out easily. This can be used in form of powder along with honey and other medicines like turmeric, etc., or it can alone be used along with warm water and taken twice a day. So these are the few drugs that are mentioned in Ayurveda for common cold and cough, which can be easily available and easily prepared at home itself. Lastly, I would like to say that there are so many restrictions that have been told, do's and don'ts in monsoon season according to Ayurveda. As I've earlier told that there will be loss of appetite, or your digestion will be very poor. So it's advisable to take lightly digesting food, warm food, instead of taking heavily digesting food, and food like curd and meat, etc., should be avoided. Instead, you can go for warm water, warm food internally. And also day sleeping during the daytime is also not advised, as it hinders the digestive system. So please like and subscribe if you have liked this video. Thank you.